The Ram truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of strength, resilience, and American ingenuity. For decades, Ram has been a trusted name in the automotive world, representing power, durability, and innovation. Whether it's the rugged Ram 1500 or the heavy-duty Ram 2500, these trucks are built to handle the toughest challenges, from hauling heavy loads to conquering off-road terrain. The Ram brand has earned its reputation by combining cutting-edge technology with timeless design, creating vehicles that are as functional as they are stylish. One of the standout features of Ram trucks is their commitment to comfort and luxury. Gone are the days when trucks were purely utilitarian. Today, Ram offers interiors that rival high-end luxury cars, with premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and spacious cabins designed for both work and relaxation. The Ram 1500, for example, boasts a smooth ride thanks to its innovative suspension system, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts who demand both performance and comfort. But what truly sets Ram apart is its dedication to innovation. From the fuel-efficient EcoDiesel engine to the revolutionary multifunction tailgate, Ram continues to push the boundaries of what a truck can do. These advancements not only enhance the driving experience but also reflect the brand's commitment to sustainability and efficiency. Ram trucks are more than just vehicles, they're a testament to the American spirit of hard work and determination. They're built for those who aren't afraid to tackle challenges head-on, whether it's on the job site or the open road. With its blend of power, luxury, and innovation, Ram has solidified its place as a leader in the automotive industry, embodying the values of strength, reliability, and progress. The Ram 1500, in particular, stands out as a flagship model that encapsulates everything the brand represents. It's not just a truck, it's a versatile tool that adapts to the needs of its driver. Whether you're a contractor hauling equipment, a family heading out for a weekend adventure, or someone who simply appreciates the thrill of driving a powerful machine, the Ram 1500 delivers. Its towing capacity is impressive, capable of pulling heavy trailers with ease, while its payload capacity ensures you can carry whatever you need, from construction materials to camping gear. What makes the Ram 1500 truly special is its attention to detail. The interior is designed with the driver in mind, featuring intuitive controls, ergonomic seating, and state-of-the-art technology. The Uconnect infotainment system is one of the best in the industry, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The available premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, making every drive an enjoyable experience. Under the hood, the Ram 1500 offers a range of powerful engine options to suit different needs. The standard V6 engine provides a balance of power and efficiency, while the available V8 engines deliver the raw horsepower and torque that truck lovers crave. For those who prioritize fuel economy, the EcoDiesel engine is a game-changer, offering impressive mileage without sacrificing performance. The Ram 1500 also features a mild hybrid system in some trims, further enhancing its efficiency and reducing its environmental impact. The exterior design of the Ram 1500 is equally impressive. With its bold grille, muscular lines, and commanding presence, it's a truck that turns heads wherever it goes. The available LED lighting not only adds to its modern aesthetic but also improves visibility and safety. The Ram 1500 is designed to be as tough as it looks, with a high-strength steel frame and advanced engineering that ensures it can withstand the rigors of heavy use. But the Ram 1500 isn't just about power and performance, it's also about safety. The truck is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway. The Ram 1500 has earned top safety ratings, making it a reliable choice for families and professionals alike. One of the most innovative features of the Ram 1500 is its multifunction tailgate. This clever design allows the tailgate to open in multiple ways, making it easier to load and unload cargo. Whether you need to swing it open like a door or drop it down like a traditional tailgate, the Ram 1500 adapts to your needs. This level of innovation is what sets Ram apart from its competitors and demonstrates the brand's commitment to making life easier for its customers. The Ram 1500 is also designed with versatility in mind. With available four-wheel drive, it can handle off-road adventures with ease, tackling rough terrain and challenging conditions. The air suspension system allows you to adjust the ride height, providing better ground clearance when needed or lowering the truck for easier access. This adaptability makes the Ram 1500 a true all-rounder, capable of excelling in any situation. Beyond its impressive features and capabilities, the Ram 1500 represents a lifestyle. It's a truck for those who value hard work, adventure, and the freedom to go wherever life takes them. It's a vehicle that inspires confidence, whether you're towing a boat to the lake, hauling supplies to a job site, or simply enjoying a weekend drive. The Ram 1500 is more than just a means of transportation, it's a partner in every journey. The success of the Ram 1500 is a testament to the brand's dedication to excellence. Ram has consistently listened to its customers, incorporating their feedback into the design and engineering of its vehicles. This customer-centric approach has helped Ram build a loyal following and establish itself as a leader in the competitive truck market. In recent years, Ram has also embraced the shift toward sustainability. The introduction of hybrid and diesel options in the Ram 1500 lineup reflects the brand's commitment to reducing its environmental impact. By offering more fuel-efficient options without compromising on performance, Ram is paving the way for a greener future while continuing to deliver the power and capability that its customers expect. The Ram 1500 is more than just a truck, it's a reflection of the values that define the Ram brand. It's about strength, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence. It's about pushing boundaries and redefining what a truck can be. Whether you're behind the wheel of a Ram 1500 or simply admiring it from afar, there's no denying the impact it has made on the automotive world. In conclusion, the Ram 1500 is a true icon, embodying the best of what American trucks have to offer. It's a vehicle that combines power, luxury, and innovation in a way that few others can match. With its impressive capabilities, advanced technology, and unwavering commitment to quality, the Ram 1500 is a truck that stands out in a crowded market. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of the Ram brand and a reminder of why trucks like these continue to capture the hearts and minds of drivers everywhere. Whether you're a longtime fan of Ram or new to the brand, the Ram 1500 is a truck that demands attention and respect. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement.